Hi guys, this is Kristie from UrbanAgents. Today I'm in Goodwood Residence where I'm going to show you a very beautiful unit. The unit I'm going to show you today is on the ground floor and it's close to 3,000 square foot with a ceiling height of 4.5 meters, and it's very spacious and windy, so it really gives you a landed lifestyle feeling. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, right now I'm going to show you the best part of this unit. We have our own private deck, and this is our private pool, and also you can have your own private barbecue pit. This whole place can entertain up to 25 people at the same time. So it's great for families and friends to have parties at your own backyard. And there's a very cool feature. It's this sliding door. You can close it completely, so make the whole place very private. Okay, now let me show you the inside of this unit. Right now I'm at the living room. As you can see, it's very spacious. You can fit a big size sofa here for the family, and on the other side perhaps a nice dining table. And the sitting height is 4.5, so when you walk in it really feels like it's very spacious. And now let me take you to the kitchen. If you're someone who enjoys cooking, then this unit is perfect for you because we have two kitchens. One is an open style Western kitchen, and we also have another one in the back. It's for heavy cooking like Asian style. All the appliances are from Gaggenau, which is a very good brand. A huge fridge here with a freezer at the bottom. Also comes with a wine chiller for the wine lovers. This unit comes with two common bedrooms, and one is an ensuite and the other one is with the bathroom on the side. And both the unit actually has your own backyard like this, so you can actually grow your own secret garden in the back or put some outdoor furniture to enjoy a nice afternoon coffee. Now let me show you the master bedroom, which I absolutely love. Come, I'll show you. Do you miss the feeling when you wake up to a beautiful view in a resort while you are on vacation? This master bedroom gives you exactly that. It comes with a huge floor-to-ceiling size window, and it's a very tranquil. You wake up to a beautiful view, your kids are playing outside. It's just like living in a resort on a daily basis. And this master bedroom also features a floor-to-ceiling full-size closet where you can put a lot of Hermes bag. Hi, welcome to Bali, Indonesia. No, I'm kidding. I'm actually at the bathroom to this beautiful master bedroom. As you can see, this bathroom is really beautifully designed. You know, the feel is really matches the overall resort feeling of this unit. And you even comes with a sliding door that gives you direct access to backyard. You can also close it if you need some privacy. And before I forget, that comes with this unit, you also have your own private lift that will take you directly to your own car drop-off point. We're actually 5 minutes from Newton MRT, which is served by 2 MRT lines that can take you pretty much everywhere in Singapore. We're also very close to Alliance Francaise, where parents can send their kids to learn French, and the famous Orchard shopping belt and Newton Circus is just within walking distance. So it's a very prime and convenient location. So if you are someone that really enjoys landed lifestyle, also you like to have the convenience of a condo facility, then this property is perfect for you. So if you want to know more information, feel free to contact me. I'm Kristie from UrbanAgents. And if you like our video, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Bye, see you next time.